Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up an effective Google Ad campaign. As you see here, so when you go to Google Ads Manager, just like what you see on my screen, and for those of you who don't know how to go there, you can just go to your Google account. And let me show. Just go to your Google account, click here, and then click on Google Ads. Okay, it will bring you to your Google Ads Manager interface. Now, when you come here, click on create campaign. As you see here, click on create. So I'm creating a campaign, and you also have, in fact, the first step you will have to choose is what? Your objective. So objective, we have sales. That is if you want to drive sales online, in app, or by phone. We have get leads and other conversions by encouraging customers to take action, website traffic, app promotion. And so for most of you, if your goal is to sell, choose sales. Yeah, so when you choose sales and then you come forward, so the conversion goal, which is something I have set up earlier, is that I want phone calls. If you don't want that, or you want a different thing, when you come here, if you don't have one, you'll be asked to set up a conversion goal. So you can, if you see here like this, it is asking me to continue. If I did not have one, it will ask me to create. So you will choose the one that best fit your business. But this one, I want people to buy through phone calls, and so I'm just going direct. So I'll click on continue. Now, if you come here, for example, you'll be asked to select the campaign type. We have search, we have performance. So search is one that you want people to search and get you on Google. We have performance max. The performance max is more or less like it includes search, it includes local ads, people that will want to come to your location, it includes video. So the performance max is more or less like general. We have demand generation, we have video. Video is typically for YouTube. We have display ads. The display ads are those that when you go to a blog to read an article, you'll be seeing adverts showing. And we have the shopping ads. Shopping ads are typically for e-commerce companies. So I want to go with the search. I want people to search and then see this advert. Now, when you select the search, you will not be asked, select the ways you would like to reach your goal. I want people to visit the website. I want people to also call directly, and I don't want store visits. So when you come here, because you want people to visit the site, you have to put a website. And so this is the website. I want people to get to this particular landing page. So let me put it, and then you choose a phone number. So the phone number, for example, let me just put the phone number, and then you click on continue. From there, you can add the name of the campaign. So the name of this campaign, and I'll add a date. Then after you add the date, you click on continue. From there, you'll be asked to bid. And I can tell you that bidding is very, very important, because previously I have run ads which were not performing. And when I start to bid and when I put up an effective bidding, I've seen that those adverts start to perform well. Now, normally as a beginner, it is best to bid for clicks and not conversions. Before you even bid for conversions and it will work properly, you need to have conversion tracking set up. But a lot of people who are beginning to set up ads on Facebook, on Google, on Google, most of the time they don't even have conversion tracking set up properly. So go for clicks, you'll get more people clicking on your site. Now you can set up a maximum cost per click limit. Now, to do that, you will need to know the average cost per click so that you can set up a maximum cost per click. So let's look at the keyword that we are going to bid for. So you come here. Okay, so I was just doing some analysis of some of my keywords, and for those of you who don't even know how to go there, let me show you. When you come to your Google Ad campaign, by default, you are normally under campaigns. Then under campaigns, when you scroll down, you see tools, then you see keyword planner. So click on the keyword planner, then it brings you to this place. Now when it brings you here, you click on discover new keyword, and then if you have any keyword that you want to find out your search, the volume of search for that particular keyword, then you type it. So let me okay, let me just type it here. So I'm trying to look for people. We are selling a medicine that is for diabetes. So when you search, you can put, sometimes you can add your website to help filter the right information. Then you click on get results. See here, and normally they will add the location. The location here they say is Ghana. So if you want to filter to a different location, you can edit and put the location. So now I'm just checking. So as you see, the term diabetes is 1, and the cost per click here, so from low to high, 0.13 to 0.98. So it means that if I bid for anything above $1, this particular one, I'm likely to rank for it well. Diabetes, I cannot see all of this key term. Some part of it is cut away, but that one is 0.55. So the highest, look for the highest, 0.1, 1.9, 1.01, 1.26. So averagely, I have not seen any of them that is higher than 1.26. So it means that the average cost per click, the highest I will ever get is around 1.26. So in that case, okay, there's 1 point, oh, this is 0.34 and there's 1 point. So I'm going to bid for 1.3. So I'll come back to my campaign and then I'll set maximum cost per click to be 1.3. Okay, let me make it 1.4. Yeah, 1.4, and then I'll click next. Then I will select here. Make sure you select the location. If you don't know and you by mistake enter all countries and territories, you'll be getting people from some fraudulent click fraud from countries you don't want to even see. You'll be seeing people who will be clicking and be contacting you that, in fact, you'll be getting a lot of spam. So you come and then choose the language. Then from there you have other settings you can do. Add rotation, that is if you know the times that your advert would typically perform well. For now, I'm not going to do add rotation. So here I want the advert to run for at least a month, so I will let it end by the end of September, and then yeah, for all other things I'm okay, so I'm leaving that and I'm going to the next. Now you'll be asked to asset maximization, so that is more of keyword. They are asking me to maximize my campaign with AI Max. So let me see what they're going to do for me. This is a new thing they are bringing. That's the beta program. So you click next. Now, so they put my URL and they're saying the landing page is not supported. I don't know what exactly is their problem, but they are asking that what makes your product or services unique. For now, I can skip all these things because I'm going to put my keywords. So as you see, they've already automatically generated keywords from my site for me. But already I also have my keywords. So I'm just going to copy those keywords that I have. These are my keywords. So I've copied them. Now, after adding my keywords, sometimes the system may say that some of your keywords are against their policies, but in case you have any of that, you can just resolve it. But for now, once they are not asking us to remove any, we'll move on. So we will get to the final URL. If you don't know, the final URL is the URL that when people click on the advert, it will take them to that particular destination. Then we also have you can add a phone call here. So we are going to add the phone call, the phone they are going to call, the phone number people are going to call. So there's one that I already added, and that is the one I want people to so you add a call. In some cases you may want to add more than one number. For example, If you have more than one number to add, you can come here and then click on the plus button, and you can add a number. For now, I just want to use one phone number. Then you also come to the headlines. So the headlines, I've already added some, but when you come here, if you don't even know how to generate the right headlines, you can come to, normally you will see suggested ones at the top here. So these are all suggested headlines based on the website that I put in. You can also come to the Google Keyword Planner and look for the keywords here, all the keywords that were shown here. You can copy all. So for example, put like this, and then you copy. So when you copy, I'm going to paste them here so that I can see the details of those keywords. So you see, these are the keywords that I copied. So something like this, you will be able to see that diabetes management, diabetes treatment, high blood sugar, and all of that. So that one, for example, I want to come up to even the keywords, and then add those that I did not add. I want to add them. So I've added them. There are also other keywords that were added too. Now, so I'm going back again to the ads. So here, so you add the headlines. The headlines are, these are short headlines, 30 characters each. So I just added terms like diabetes, natural diabetes cure, stop high blood sugar, herbal sugar solution, and those kind of things. Then I have headlines, long headlines, and or the descriptions. Okay, so that one is supposed to be what, 90 characters. So I've added all that I need. If I want to add more, then I'll just click. I have more of them. So I've just added one here. Now if you're okay with everything, you can also upload a picture. So if you don't have, you click on edit or you click on upload. You'll be able to upload a picture. And then for side links, you can also add side links, but for now I don't want to add any side link. For those that don't know, side links take people to specific pages on your website. So for example, up there about that section, info, services, those kind of things. I don't want to add that for now because I want to focus on the specific landing page I'm selling the product. So when you're done with everything, you come and then click on next. Then you choose your budget. So here, okay, they are asking me to confirm that it is me. So I want to choose, so we are up to the budget, and I want to choose a custom budget. So the budget I want to choose here, I'll make it $10 a day. And let me add that here, please make sure that the budget you are choosing can get you at least 10 clicks a day. When you look at the other one, that the bidding earlier, the bidding was around $1 or 1 point something. So $10 approximately can get around 10 clicks. I'm saying this because if you are in a location like US, Canada, or UK, $10 will not make any significant results. So even I'm in Ghana, but they're still telling me the budget is too low. So make sure that you choose a budget that is a bit bigger. So this one is just the beginning. I'll increase it along. So I'll click on next. So they said there are some errors and we have to fix. Here, for example, under the bidding, it's just a warning, but they didn't indicate much. So I'm sure they want to say that the amount I'm bidding is maybe too low, but ignore that for now. That's a lighter warning. But anytime you see a red arrow like this, it means that if that is not fixed, we cannot proceed. So when you see here, all those with the red highlight, it means that they can be used. So it starts with diabetes management. So let's see, So it means that, okay, it starts with diabetes management and ends with diabetes. Okay, so it means from here up to here, I cannot use them. So I've removed them. I've removed all of that. So the error should be resolved, but it will reload. So let me continue. So that aside that one, they also the review. So because there was an error here, the review had an error, or there was an error, I think at the ad level. But let me just click for them to reload it. So you see under the keywords, that particular problem has been solved. I'll click on next again. Yeah. So now everything is in order. I can publish the campaign. So I'll just click on publish. And it has been published. So you now have to come check after some let me just click on campaigns. So you see currently it's under review. The status of it is that it is under review. If it is approved, it will turn to active. So it is not yet approved. So you can come to the main under all campaigns, then you'll be able to see all your campaigns. When it starts to deliver results, when you check here, you see the impressions, you see interactions, everything will show. But for now, as you see, everything is 0, 0, 0, 0. So, but it has been submitted. So and it is also enabled. So that is exactly how you can set up a Google Ad campaign. If you follow this process and you have any issue, you can leave your comments in the comment section and I'll come in to help you. You can also follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact us for more personalized assistance. We charge very affordable prices and we can help you get your ad campaigns set up effectively. Thank you once again and see you in the next video. Bye.